Those the new speed limits then?
Yeah, well that's the ones I got off the CMC website.
Right, we're just discussing speed limits.
I want to be in this left-hand lane.
Yeah.
Keep left onto A16.
Yeah, so we're on the A16 now.
Yeah, we're going the non-toll way, aren't we?
We're going to try and take the Route National.
Well, it's
it's an A road, is it?
A16.
Yeah.
For a lot of the way.
So it's auto-road.
It's the way we went to Mons, a lot of it, but then we turn off at Arras.
Okay.
And go on a D road there, which I think we came back on that time we stayed near the Somme.
Yeah. Yeah, no, we were just discussing the speed limit, so it's 110 for motorhomes over 3.5 tonnes.
Yeah, 130 under.
130
under
if you're under 3.5 tonnes, yeah.
But they're a lot slower, aren't they, in Belgium and Netherlands?
In fact, it's this speed, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're doing about exactly 76 kilometres an hour. So I might speed up a bit now. So we've got don't have any turnings for 31 kilometres.
Yes, we stay on here. For 63 kilometres.
Right, 63 kilometres, wow.
Yeah. There's cars there, lorries here.
Recalculating.
I could park behind that Mercedes, I think. I'm going to have to. Now we're just saying that found problem with airs on a Sunday in France is that a lot of the trucks are parked up for the day.
Yeah. Seems to be, don't they? And
yeah. So they're not working, are they? So they're parked up.
yeah.
So I managed to turn the sound off the sat nav. So what do we want then?
You want lens, which is the first turning. Oh.
Exit the highway at exit 7.
Thank you.
Keep right towards N41.
This is the first test, isn't it, when you're driving in France?
Go over the roundabout, taking the second exit.
So look to the left. See, there's le passage.
Take the second exit towards A21.
Easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a lot of roundabouts. This is like Milton Keynes, isn't it?
Enter the roundabout, take the third exit. Take the third exit onto N47.
sorry.
Turn right at the roundabout, taking the first exit. Take the second exit onto D1643. After 300 meters, turn right at the roundabout, taking the first exit onto D644. After 300 meters, turn right towards A26, A29.
Not here, is it?
No.
Turn right towards A26, A29.
Thank you. We're in Saint-Quentin now, aren't we? Assume it's straight on it.
After 450 meters, go over the roundabout, taking the second exit onto Boulevard Inlet Raymond Peanut.
You what? Onto the boulevard. Third exit. Okay. There's
There's a
one.
Lidl over
Take the
there.
third exit towards there.
Cool.
After 300 meters, keep right onto D1. Drive for 4.9 kilometers. After 300 meters, keep right onto D8.
Yeah, there's a sign for it now. Campsite.
Keep right.
Sorry?
There's a sign for the campsite there.
What was that?
Yeah, little brown sign.
Alright.
Prepare to turn right after 750 meters.
Looks like there's a deviation as well.
Yeah.
Oh,
I think we're going that way anyway, aren't we?
Why do things like this always happen to us?
I think it's like a market or something, isn't it?
Take the next right onto D72.
I think we're alright. It's the sign for the campsite up here.
Yeah.
It's just this hundreds
Drive
of
for
people.
5.5 kilometers.
So we haven't seen any people for hours and miles. So what are you doing? You're stopping there then? Okay.
It's popular, isn't it?
Yeah. More people, I think, than we've seen all day.
Yeah.
here,
on
isn't
the
it?
left.
A bit quieter here.
Yeah. We've got a street market on, have we? Hopefully not. Come round this corner.
Take the second right.
Second one, what's this
Second
one?
right.
Sorry?
What do you mean by second right?
Well, I think it was a bit slow in explaining which one.
You arrive at destination on the left after 120 metres.
There's a sign up here.
Yeah, I see it.
You have reached your destination on the left.
Yeah, camping de Vivier Aux Carpes. Press button on the gate there.
Have you arrived at your destination?
Yes.
Yes, we have.
Shush, Poppy. Oh.
Trying to read the instructions. Something about press bell and left arrow.
So we're doing a stop here.
Yeah. Right, we're on pitch 19. Going to the lady in the wall. Where do we go? Might be up there then, can it?
That is 17 and 18. And that is 25 to 67.
Right. It's
I'm
interesting.
confused now. That's to 10. 19.
Oh, it's 19 here.
It's here then.
Going forward.
Yeah?
Right. What do you think of this site?
Very nice, isn't it?
Yeah.
Really like
Come
it.
here again.
Yeah. I think we should have come here longer
Yeah.
than just 2 nights because
Yeah.
it's a nice site to sort of stop at,
Yeah.
isn't it? You
Yeah.
don't, I mean, today we've thought we don't really
Don't
want
really
to
want to go
move.
anywhere. No.
No. So
It's so peaceful, isn't
yeah,
it?
and
Yeah.
the weather is pretty terrific here as
Yeah.
well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Tara's quite happy.
Yeah. She's fast asleep.
Yeah.
I think Poppy's somewhere. I don't know where she's gone. I think she's
She's gone in a little house.
in a little box.
Yeah,
over
yeah.
there. And the best thing is that there's a bread van
Yeah.
that appears. Was it 9 o'clock?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Hoots her horn, doesn't she?
Hoots a horn and
moves.
they say bonjour,
Yeah.
du
And-
baguette.
Yeah. No,
Oh,
deux croissants.
deux croissants,
And
une baguette.
yeah.
I think I can manage that in my French just about.
Yeah.
So I'm just finishing this video. I'm just going to sort of go through what we've filmed and I'll just talk you through it.
Okay.
Right, so we were on pitch 19 and you see it's surrounded by like a lake, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's quite an open site, but there are some trees there and just standing by the toilet block looking looking down towards the lakes. There's the toilets. They're nice. They're good toilets.
Very good, aren't
yeah,
they?
it's like a little wet room in there.
Yeah, yeah, very nice.
Yeah.
Quite warm shower, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's a push button thing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's very powerful.
Yeah, it works very well. And yeah, it's the loos. And there's just like a separate toilet as well. I always like a separate toilet.
Yeah, so it's in a completely separate room, isn't
Yeah,
it? Same in ours. Washing up area,
yeah,
is
washing
it?
up and the laundry.
Yeah, and there's a washing machine and a tumble dryer, and you get tokens from the office, don't you, for it?
Yeah. And there's baby facilities there as well.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
Very clean.
I
Don't know what's upstairs.
I think there's a pool table upstairs.
Is it?
That's where we pitched. We drove in forward, and then we turned it round because it seemed to be more logical. And we're just walking down towards the fishing lake. It's a little bit. I think the lakes are a bit overgrown. I don't know how you get into there. I tried to peek over the fence here, but there's a table and some lakes. We walked later on. We walked to the lakes in the evening, didn't we?
Yeah, around the other side.
Around the other side, yeah.
But you couldn't get back to the campsite from there.
No. No, you see a bit of the lakes there. It's actually the River Somme, isn't it? Oh,
yeah.
We had a little walk down to the graveyard at the Seraucourt. Something like 1,300 graves there.
Yeah. There's a picture I took of you and the dogs at the memorial.
Yeah, and an East Lancs Fusilier there. Seemed appropriate. Right, so that's it for this video. And where are we off to tomorrow?
Camping La Brabos.
You said it differently.
Yeah. Oh.
That's all right. Well, we do. They're Brabos, I think.
Brabos, I think it is.
I think that's a smart car, but then
yeah.
But yeah, no, we're looking forward to that. It's a long drive though, isn't it?
It's about 4 hours.
4 hours,
Don't
yeah.
go on the toll roads.
Yeah.
It's near Nancy, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we're there for 2 nights.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're trying to get our batteries charged up today, so we're not going
anywhere. No, because
No.
I think we're all pretty tired, aren't we?
Yeah.
Including Tara.
Including Tara. And
Poppy's gone in her little house because
Back
she's
in
tired.
back in her little
Yeah.
house. So that's it, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Yeah. So next time you see us, we'll be on our way to
Camping La Brabos. Near Nancy.
yeah. And
And then we're on our way to Luxembourg.
And then Luxembourg. Yeah. Right, so if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe, hit the notifications icon, and we'll catch up with you soon.
Yeah.
Right.
Bye then.
Bye then.